Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial, how to remove your profile picture on YouTube in 2025. If you're looking to freshen up your profile or just want a clean slate, you're in the right place. This process is quick and easy, taking less than a minute once you're logged in. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your YouTube account. If you're not, head over to youtube.com and log in with your Google credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. That's the one with your picture or initials. It'll drop down a menu for you. Next, from that menu, select Settings. This will take you to your Google account settings page, since YouTube is tied to Google. Don't worry, it's all connected. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the Profile or Personal Info section. Scroll down until you find the Profile Picture option. It might say something like Profile Photo or Change Picture. Click on that, and you'll see options to edit or remove your photo. Simply select the Remove button. It's usually straightforward, with a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to do this. Hit Confirm, and voila! Your profile picture will be removed, leaving you with a default avatar. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the option not showing up, try clearing your browser cache or switching to the YouTube app on your mobile device. The steps are similar there, just go to your account settings in the app. Remember, this is for 2025, so Google might have made some minor updates, but the core process stays user-friendly. There you have it, folks. You've successfully removed your profile picture on YouTube. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.